Good morning from Muddy Coffin, Austria. It's really, really nice out. Everyone said it was going to miserably rain. It's pretty much blue skies and amazing. So, take the most of the day, go check some stuff out, go to the factory at Husqvarna. First things first, meet Josh for breakfast. Oh yeah, I forgot. This happened last night. I broke my key in the door keypad. It's stuck in there. Go back asleep. What the fuck? You're the worst with jet lag. Guess what? That room key's really stuck.
Oh no.
Yeah. We need some like really small tweezers. We got tweezers, we can get it out. You got tweezers? I know you use those a lot.
For what?
Come on, everyone knows.
What?
Ladies.
Fucking PLAECO.
He's still single. It's breakfast with Josh. He's got a little ham and cheese sandwich. Cereal action. Just put my Joby in that butter.
That's pretty good.
Oh yeah, wipe it, Josh. Wipe it off. Oh no. Oh, a little short.
What are you doing? I have to.
Something smaller?
Yes, I have to look for something.
Okay.
Let it open now.
Oh, okay. I've been here for about an hour and already fucking shit up. Alright, now we're gonna go to Husqvarna, load the bikes, check the factory, say hi to everyone, and from there, drive out to the first location to ride. This is Josh's area, as you can tell. Number one, this is our box bin he's taking with us to test with. It's got the old school number 10s on there. I think it's because we're going to throw number 10s on this bag girl he's been working on. Pretty sweet. This is his tool kit he leaves in Europe every year for Super Enduro. It's a really nice place. Got these offices here for managers. Got a couple number 1 plates up here. This is 2017 Super Enduro, 2016 Super Enduro, and Graham Erzberg last year. Pretty cool. All the way from America for you. Brought this special piece of hardware to go on the bike that no one can see. Sorry guys. Ooh, carburation. Alright Josh, see you a little bit.
I thought you were going to do a tire change for me.
No, you're so good at changing mooses, I figured.
Show off to everybody.
And it's really
I've been talking you up like my rider.
It's a really soft moose. I don't think you're gonna have any problems. We're gonna go take a tour now of the rest of the buildings. We're off. more than 1,000 people work in this one building.
I think so, only in this production building.
In this production building. So we're in the assembly line right now. Motors, pipes, back there are swing arms. Up here is frames. This guy's sticking stuff together. Every bike down the assembly line gets a little bit more put together. See right here, it's a little bit more than that one. This one's got wheels on it. This one's got the tank. Moving through, headlight.
They built an extra box.
And that's a bike, fully boxed up from frame to the box. That's good. What's that mean? You're officially on the vlog now.
Really now?
This is official.
Woo! One of the best days.
Get a phone, photo.
Yeah.
Nice.
Old, but I have a long hand enough. So, go for it. Thanks, man.
Yeah, no
Thanks,
problem. Nice to meet you. Thank you again.
Nice to meet you.
Again, if I don't finish Würzburg, I buy you an Austrian beer. And if I do finish,
I buy you an Austrian beer.
You buy me an Austrian beer, not an American beer.
Not American.
Right on. See you. Have fun.
Bye.
All right. Got a 2.5 hour drive.
We're just going 40 minutes to the dirt bike shop.
We're going 40 minutes to a dirt bike dealership, but then after that, it's a 2.5 hour drive to a farm in Austria. Forget the guy's name, but really nice farm guy. Farmer, really nice guy. And we're gonna go to his house and do some testing and some riding. And like I said before, this is one of the slipperiest, rootiest places I've ever been to. Really good practice. So tag along, continue this wild adventure with Josh and Colton.
Okay, yeah, I mean, of course.
And would be here.
Somewhere down.
And so
Just really needing the afternoon coffee. This jet lag was kicking in pretty bad. I was in the fuzz was. Met with Joe here. He's organizing our visit to Würzburg.
Wow. That's so lame. I should have been dancing through the grass.
Asphalt.
Exit.
Like as in exiting an asphalt.
Like gas exiting your ass.